I'm just a man, his hat, and an iPhone.
And not fall over.
Totally, I'll keep that in mind.
We are at the, wow, there goes Mike. We're at the Venice Beach Vintage Bike Show. Just hanging out, checking out the bikes, bands, food. Hanging out, chilling. Look at them all. No, this is badass.
The Condor was one of them we were looking at on their website. The label and everything. That's
That is really cool. Oh, he kept with the fenders and everything, and all this stuff in the middle. But that just looks so nice. It's a great looking slimline kind of deal. Let's see. That's a nostalgia fender. That's so cool looking.
I really like that bike.
Land on your ass right now.
To the guys in the vintage contest.
So this is the best cafe racer.
Winning motorcycles up this
Check
way.
it.
If you guys, if you have your motorcycle in the vintage contest,
It's a BSA apparently. I say this, but I don't know a lot about bikes yet.
Right now, and maybe
Are you having fun, Travis?
No, this is horrible.
He hates it. He absolutely hates it.
I hate
the
this.
encore of
It's
the awesome
tragic how
band
sad
Flame.
and
You
boring
guys
it
kick
is,
some butt
really.
for
Yeah.
us.
Let's keep walking. We're wasting time.
You know they don't put me just a river warehouse, where witness the sales. Rally around the family, pocket full of shells. Rally around the family.
Better forks. Yeah. Nice, dude. I like the wheels, man.
Yeah, right. That's fuck.
Something, huh?
Yeah.
6 of them.
Damn.
Definitely catches your eye, if nothing else.
Yeah.
Housing. If you know where your motorcycle is, go get it, bring it up here.
Look at this top shelf right there in the little tank.
If everyone could give these guys a little bit of room, this would be great.
Okay, so let me tell you, if I had a camera,
Are you able?
Harley Davidson picture,
Who's got
top
the
tail picture,
T500?
tail lights picture, and
Oscar Romero's got a
nice
chopper,
little shot of
a little
handlebars
bobber.
and the brass fitting.
Oscar, go get your bike.
Yep, yep.
Joe Abramo, go get your motorcycle, Joe.
I mean, look at this. He's
We're also looking for
brass,
Mike
brass
Russ,
plating
78
up there,
Yamaha,
leather wrap,
SR500, good choice.
You know, like
I raced
plus
a
like the
75
nostalgic
79
style wiring.
SR500.
It's all like wrapped in old school.
We're looking for Aaron Stockhousing,
It's a nice bike.
It's beautiful. Yeah.
John Stein is
Like
going
I
to
don't know
get
if
his
I'd
bike.
ride this. I was just like,
You'd want it on display all the
I
time.
would put it in the house and make it like, you know,
Hey,
There'd be
Los
decorations, you
Engineering.
know, like that's what I would do.
Hey guys, thanks for watching my video blog. If you've been following along, you know that I'm a filmmaker and I live, breathe, eat, die, and sleep it. Well, I've launched a Patreon campaign. You can check it out at patreon.com/mentaleclectic. Consider it like my own personal Netflix. You can subscribe and give any dollar amount you want per month for me, and $1 is the starting bid. So $1 would be amazing, and I truly appreciate it. Thanks, and I'll see you soon.
Watch our film and enjoy.